Ho here from Design W3DIY. This webpage is sharing how you DIY your webpage at your own cost, and there is a trial version for you to visualize the final business suite that you can achieve. I have collected a few tutorials. Currently I have text file read write, image upload, read line, and error 500. With this you should be able to build the foundation of a text-based database programming skill. There are a few applications that I am working on. Portal now is ready. Do download the beta test and purchase online. Stock inventory beta test is ready for you to try, but the actual module will be uploaded soon. So do come in and start do your coding.